Hello guys, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all our new subscribers and thank you our return subscribers as well. Giving you updates at the farm, what is going on right now. Guys, about 2 weeks ago I showed you guys what is going on at the farm with the construction of the farm, expansion of the farm, the construction work which is ongoing. I showed it to you guys and I want to give you updates. As you can see, work is going on smoothly, but guys, things are becoming unbecomable. It's getting expensive every single day. It is getting expensive every day, here and there. But you know what? This is a project that it is a long-term project that needs to be done, and we're gonna do it anyway. But things are being expensive every day. The prices of stuff are escalating. But anyway, we have some new piglets as well at the farm, and that will be another video another time. The expansion work is going on right now. The mason realized that the estimate that he gave us, which is 2,000 blocks, wasn't enough, so he's gonna need another 2,000 blocks. You heard me. Total is gonna be 4,000 blocks that he's gonna need right now, and we have to start making some more blocks as soon as possible. But you know what, this pen is big expansion, because what we have is 12 we have 12 pens so far, and we are doing additional 28 pens, including 2 rooms, one for storage of the feet, and another one will be a resting place for the workers. So it is like forever expansion, and we do this for now, and I believe that is gonna be it. Yeah, that is gonna be it for now. If we're gonna do anything else, it's gonna be maybe how you call it, slaughterhouse and stuff like that. And remember, we have 2 plots, so we still have more room. So like I always say, whenever you want to take such a project, please sit down, plan, and do what you can do. Don't stress yourself trying to do what your budget cannot match, or so try as much as you can to be in your budget. That's what I'm saying. Don't go above something you cannot do, because this is a lot. It is a lot. I never thought it was gonna be that much, but it is a lot. It's a lot. So, but so far so good. This is forever project, and this project can go far if we put our heart to it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, let others get to know what is going on. And very soon we're gonna start selling. As soon as this project is done, we're gonna start selling the pigs, because if we are able to put up this, we'll be able to divide the pigs and know which one we're gonna use for production, and we're gonna know which ones we're gonna sell. Because that is why we are not selling at the moment, because we're trying to see which ones will be good sows for production, reproduction, and which ones will not be able to be sustainable. So, but trust me, this business is something that we're all looking forward to see that is gonna be successful, and we believe and know that it will be successful. I encourage you, especially those in diaspora who doesn't know what to do. Farming is the best way to survive. Poultry farm, piggery, goats, any livestock farming that you put your hand in. Remember, the restaurants, the chop bars and stuff like that, they are always in demand for meat. So if you are able to do stuff well, put stuff in order and do this and that, trust me, it will definitely sell. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching our channel. Enjoy and peace. Be encouraged. Be encouraged. Encourage somebody. One thing that I realize about people is when they're doing something, they don't want their brothers to know about it. But we are in a world whereby we help each other. If I think this will work or this will be beneficial for me, why not my brother also try it? After all, the demand is high. The export is high. The import is high as well. So what will you lose to let your brother know? Thank you guys. Watch out for our next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, hit the notification button as well, so that when we post anything new, you'll be first to know. Thank you and wish you all the best. God bless you all. Bye.